Here's a tip for recording video outdoors using a mobile phone on a windy day without your audio being overwhelmed by wind noise. Now I'm using the Hollyland Lark A1 wireless microphone system. I've got the microphone mid-chest area here with the windmuff on it, and the receiver is here on my iPhone 15. And it's a breezy day outdoors, and this is the audio coming straight then from the microphone into the iPhone 15. This is the unedited audio. And now if I remove the receiver, this then is the sound that you can expect with the iPhone 15 on a windy day, just using the internal microphones on the iPhone 15, and you'll hear the difference.